Good morning.
Good morning. You know what just farted?
Yeah, kadiri naman to.
Yeah.
Yan, eating breakfast. So, ang breakfast nila is eggs with
Apples and grapes.
apples and grapes. Yan. Kuya, you're almost done. Bilis mo naman matapos. Say happy Saturday!
Happy Saturday. Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday.
Oh, good job. Troy, take a bite, please.
We'll take a bite.
Mm-hmm.
Take a bite.
Yeah, you take a bite. Mm.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes, baby.
When did July end?
July end? Like 4 days ago. Oh, was it? Yeah, no. Yeah, 4 days ago, I think. Or 3 days ago.
Yeah, it was 3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days ago.
But I don't know why. Mommy, my granny right here.
Here, give it to me. That's.
How do I have water?
I have to wash that. I don't know why you keep playing with the spoon. Be careful,
I
girl.
want to see the TV.
You got to see the TV?
I just really landed. I just really landed.
Okay, eat. You got more eggs right there, Caleb.
I want to eat them. Hey, Mom. I can buy you guys a house, a big new house
I wish you can buy us a big house.
with 200 money.
No, nakakatawa ka naman. You're so funny. $200?
Yes.
No, you can't buy you can buy $200 house, a dollhouse. Sissy's dollhouse, you can buy it. But you can't buy the $200 for a house. A real house. You're welcome, Daddy.
house has $59.
You like it?
99 cents.
You like your apple?
Yeah.
Yeah, opo.
Opo.
Opo, parang naka naman umuutot ah. Opo.
Opo.
Here you go.
It is the best apple ever.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, ano. She keeps saying opo.
Kind of like she's pooping.
Ano? Hoy, eat your food. Hoy, one at a time. Sinunod-sunod mo naman yung grapes. No, don't play. Eat.
Then they put hers here on this on her plate mat. Need to put on your lap.
Who's ready for school?
Yeah, Daddy. School's gonna start tomorrow.
Not you two. You two are going back to school.
When does school start?
April. August 24.
Try.
You got a few more weeks. But
24.
but days is really flying by, so
Hey, look at this. What if we have football?
what are you doing? Take a bite. Put it in your mouth. Binaba pa. Sarap na. Is it good?
Yeah.
Opo.
Love me. Opo.
Your turn. Is it good?
Opo.
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 Chew it, ha?
Are you got the oranges for us? Are you got the oranges for us?
Yes, I got the orange juice for you, baby.
Yummy.
And you too. Why are you wiping it, Kuya?
That's Yes, it had hair on it.
Get the hair on it?
Mhm.
Oh.
It didn't matter to me. I just ate them all.
Yeah, you ate it all, so. Eat some more. Oh my gosh, Caleb! Pasensya na po kayo kung narinig nyo yun. Hindi natin i-edit yan. We're not gonna edit that. Caleb just tooted. Caleb just utot-utot. Caleb just utot-utot. Ito naman to.
Ready for another?
Every morning, ganyan siya. Ikaw naman, ginagawa mo naman eh. Through your mouth eh. Come on, eat up. Eat. Uy, sinasadya na lang eh. Sige, pag yung tayo lumabas sa puwet mo, nako. Caleb, if you keep pushing it, poops coming out in your butt, man. Mukha nga kayo. You guys are eating eh, and then...
After breakfast, can me and Caleb continue?
Yeah.
I make a square.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, and I made too.
Okay, eat.
We designed the pot.
Okay, eat.
Yeah, your name is Rocket.
Okay, eat up. Ay, drink all of your orange juice. Okay, you have to drink all of your orange juice.
And I had a hand.
Okay, eat up. Finish your eggs.
I'm going to burn my eggs.
Yeah, eat your egg. Diyos Maria, sa pandakin yan. Huy,
This is rain.
sinubo lahat ah.
This is the girl.
Huy, shh. Don't talk when your mouth is full, remember?
Mom,
Hmm.
how do you say eat in like
In Tagalog?
Yes.
Kain tayo.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Let's eat. Kain tayo.
But how do you say you're talented?
You're talented?
Yes.
Ano ba sa Tagalog ang talented? Talento.
Talento.
You're so talento.
No, all of us are talento.
Yeah, all of you guys are so talento. Did you finish it? Hala si ate girl, oh. Hala, sige, dampot. Hala,
No, I can see it. It's right here.
hala,
It's down low.
hala siya.
Mommy,
Oh,
mine is too small.
ha?
Mine too small.
Why are you not eating that one? Eat that one.
No.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just leave it in there.
Why is the for your heart? The more you eat, the more.
Okay, don't say it no more, because Troy is gonna be...
Why is the orange juice so sour?
You choose your hand. There you go. Wow, good job, Troy. Good job.
What about me?
All right, let's just eat the fruits.
Eat our fruit.
Yes, eat your fruit. All right, just put that in the counter, kuya, ha. Good morning, mga loves. Happy Sunday. Saturday pala, Saturday. So, nag-breakfast na ako. Actually, kanina pa ako nag-breakfast. Actually, ganina pa rin ako gising. Hindi pa gising yung mga kids. At ako ay nag-almusal na. And nagkaroon ako ng aking me time for myself. Kahit na sobrang aga. Umalis yung asawa ko ng 6:30 ata yun ng umaga. So, pagkatapos noon, naligo ako. And then, nag-breakfast ako. And then, kinausap ko lang yung mama ko ng konti lang. Kasi, birthday na niya tomorrow. So, August 6 ang birthday ng aking mother. So, hindi ko alam kung magluluto tayo for her birthday. So, titingnan na lang natin. Or gagawa na lang ako ng cake for her birthday. para meron din kami kainin na cake, o, diba? But, yun. So, tapos nang mag-breakfast ang mga kiddos, magliligpit na tayo ng mga kinainan nila. Pero si Chad at si Caleb, naligpit na nila yung mga table, nila, plate and everything. Si Troy at si Natalia na lang ang hindi. So, yan. Kasi, katatapos ko lang na i-content si Natalia sa TikTok at saka sa Facebook. O, diba? Kung nakapollow kayo sa aming TikTok and Facebook, actually, Facebook ko talaga yun eh. Hindi siya like yung Facebook na family Facebook. Actually, talagang Facebook ko talaga siya. So, lahat ng pwede kong i-upload, na-upload ko doon. So, yan. Ilagay ko yung aking Facebook page dito and sa aking TikTok. Kung nakapollow kayo, please follow me. And aking sa Instagram din, please follow me. So, ayun. So, kaya makikita nyo si Natalia, naka-bonggay shoes siya na dress. At sabi ko nga sa kanya, tanggalin na natin kasi tapos na tayong mag-video. Ang sabi niya, ayaw daw niya. Diba? Sabi ko nga, tanggalin mo na yung shoes mo. Kasi hindi naman tayo aalis. Ayaw niya, ipatanggal ang shoes niya. O, diba? But, yeah. Next week, magkakaroon sila ng picture sa kanilang football, sa kanilang sport sa football. So, meron silang picture day. And then, sa Saturday is first game nila. So, first game match up nila sa ibang team. So, manunod tayo, syempre. Yes! Show them your outfit. Show them your outfit! Show them your dress. Dali. Yee! Ganda-ganda eh. Ayaw niya patanggal eh.
Super.
Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo?
Super Troy.
Hi, Troy!
Hi!
Say hi, mga labs.
Hi, mga lads.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Mga labs. Say just hi, labs.
Hello. Show you my car.
Show daw niya sa inyo yung car niya.
Show
Show them your dress. Come on, Scoot. Show them your dress. Scoot. Oh, ganda-ganda ang princess.
Show my police car. Show my police car.
Oh, ganda-ganda.
Show my police car.
Yeah. Dali, hurry up. Ang bagal.
Ayan
Asan na? Show daw niya sa inyo yung kanyang
Super.
car.
Super car.
Yung supercar niya.
Super
Okay.
car. Super car.
Ayan.
Super
So, yun nga. Meron silang first game nila. And, yeah. So, excited. But, yun. Anyways, na tayo. Magliligpit muna ako dito. EIO daw siya. Lunchtime!
I don't want to eat anymore.
You don't want to eat? Okay, so lunch nila is peanut butter and jelly and then with chips. So yun sa amin ni Natalia is hiniinit ko pa. Leftover from last night.
Daddy?
No, the chicken Alfredo.
Mommy, I go please.
Huh?
Ooh, I want to have that again.
Say kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Mommy, I want to have it.
So ito ang aming lunch ni Natalia.
I don't want lunch.
You don't want lunch? Ayaw niya talaga kumain, oh. Gusto niya minum lang.
I want to go in the room.
No, you're not going to the room. You have to eat it here. So, kain tayo. Happy lunchtime. Siguro by the time yung panunod nyo tong vlog namin, it's either morning or gabi na. Don't do that!
I thought it was a freezer.
She's making a bubble. That's what she's doing.
Yeah,
Okay, take a bite.
it's a bubble.
Then you were trying to touch her foot.
That's freezer.
Ito naman to. Parang kala mo pinapakain ng ano eh.
I can wait your mouth.
Ha?
I
Ano mo to?
Hey, Mom. Mom.
Sobrang mapili talaga to sa pagkain tong babaitan to eh.
Mom.
Hoy! What?
Watch this.
Sige, sige. Sige, tamaan mo yung mga gamit dyan. Sige, sige. Hoy, are you done eating? Why are you doing that? We don't do that. Natalia, don't make a bubble on your drink. Ay, pasaway. Don't do that. Don't do that. Talaga, pasaway eh. Hoy, ikaw, you eat your food ha? You have to finish that. All of that.
Yeah.
Opo.
I eat my chips.
Meron silang mga treat. So, Kuya Chad have Mountain Dew. And then, Kuya Caleb have Dr. Pepper. Itong dalawan to, pinaghati ko sila dun sa maliit na can. Nilagyan ko ng ice para madaming, kunyari madami.
Pepsi.
Nilagyan ko ng yelo. So, hinati nila yung maliit na can na yan. Pinaghatian nilang dalawa. Pepsi naman yun sa kanila. Eh, ginagawa niyang bubble. Talaga, sige. Yan, sige. You're making a bubble eh.
Make a Pepsi noise. Pepsi.
There's no chicken in there. Ay.
Mom, I'm full.
No, you have to eat all of that. Ay, kain tayo.
Tayo.
Diyos kong mata nito, kanya yun.
Yes, already.
So, mga loves, gawa tayo ng banana bread. Kasi meron tayong bread dito. Ay, banana. May banana tayo dito na masisira na. And, yung... Gusto mo ng banana? Oh, iba na naman ang outfit ni ate girl, oh. Aray, ba't ka nanunulak? Naman, oh. Ba't ka nanunulak? Yes, here you go. Be careful, be careful. Show them you're eating the banana. Do you like banana? Do you like banana? Opo. Opo. Okay, enjoy your banana. So, pwede pa pala siyang kainin. So, bago pa siya masira talaga ng tuluyan, gawa tayo ng banana bread. So, para hindi para meron tayong dessert for later or kahit na kasi pwede to for breakfast na gawin tong almusal and for coffee, ganyan. So, i-peel lang natin to. And nakikita nyo medyo na siya sa So, nasa cellphone ko yung ating recipe dito. Kasi, nasa online ko lang siya nakuha din yung recipe nito eh. And, it's been a long time since yung gumawa ko ng banana bread. Since merong nagsasuggest na si Ate Irish, ayan, nagsasuggest siya na magano daw ako ng mga i-vlog ko daw yung mga niluluto ko, yung mga ganyan. So, ayan, ito na Ate Irish. Tagalin natin yan. Ayan. So, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Ayan, na-dikdik ko na yung ating banana. So, 4 ito na banana. Na, alam niyo yun. Tapos, ito na yung ating eggs. So, 2 eggs. Lagay ko dito yung recipe ng nahanap ko na banana bread. Yung mother-in-law ko, meron siyang recipe for banana bread. Pero, hindi ko mahanap kung saan ko na ilagay yung recipe na binigay niya sa akin. So, kaya... Pero itong recipe na to, nagawa ko na siya before. So, and masarap naman siya. Ayan. So, milk. And then, oil. 1 cup of sugar. Actually, 1 cup and 1/2 of sugar. Supposed to be 1 cup and 3/4 cup of flour, pero hindi na umabot ng 1 cup yung ating flour. So I don't know what's gonna happen. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have 1/2 of salt. And then this one is very optional siya kung gusto nyong lagyan. Well, haluin muna natin. Itong pecan. So, very optional talaga siya kung gusto niyo yung haluan. Pero for me, masarap tong banana bread kapag kasama siya sa ano. So, yan. Haluin muna natin siya. Hopefully talaga okay yung ano pag na to flour. Kasi yun na lang kasi meron ako eh. Kala ko marami pa akong flour. Wala na pala. So, ganyan siya. Makamatapon. Ayan. So, gusto nyo durugin na. Kung gusto nyo durugin, pwede naman. Nasa inyo na yun. Ako kasi, dinudurog ko siya, and then yung iba nilalagyan ko ng buong laman. So, ganito siya. Pecan. Yeah. Sarap kami no. Yummy. Wala na pala itong laman. Wait lang. Maglagay lang ako dito sa ano. So, pwede kayo maglagay kung hanggang gaano kadami yung gusto nyong ilagay. Kung gusto ko madami. Pero kasi mas madami, mas masarap. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Siguro nga dahil hindi siya masyado malapot dahil kulang tayo sa ano, sa flour. Sa flour. Pero okay lang yan. Titignan na lang natin. Nalagyan pa natin ng konti.
Masarap, diba?
So, ito yung ating lalagyanan. Dati kasi, yung lalagyanan ko pahaba siya. Pero nung na-try ko to, and nung naluto na siya and everything, tas pagka ano mo siyang gaya, ang ganda niya tignan. Kaya, dito natin siya lulutuin. Tapos, isprayhan natin siya nitong baking pan para hindi siya para mabilis siyang matanggal kapag niluto na natin siya, ay pagka tinanggal na natin sa lalagyanan. So ako po kasi mahilig ako gumawa ng mga dessert, pero hindi ako kumakain, bihira lang. Kaya kung makikita nyo medyo malaki yung katawan ng asawa ko is dahil sa akin yon, dahil talagang puro ako dessert ginagawa ko, puro dessert ganyan. Kaya ano ko lang yung mga yeah, lagay na natin siya. Sana talaga okay siya kasi yung ating flour is kukunti lang. Oh my God. Kalo. Ayan. So, ito na siya. So, ayan na siya. Medyo ano siya, wiggly siya guys. Pero hopefully maluto talaga siya. So, luluto natin siya ng 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, ating ano is ready na. Ating pampainit. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yan dahil makalat talaga yan. Hindi pa ako naglilinis ng stove eh. So, lalagay lang natin siya dyan. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, for 1 hour. So, mga loves, habang naghihintay tayo sa ating banana bread, mag-refill muna tayo ng ating mga cereal sa lalagyanan. Kasi, nakandun sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Nakalagay doon, ah. So, ito sila. Ang pusa namin, oh. Nala! So, ito yung ating mga lalagyanan for cereal. Yan. And, what? Yun yung ating cereal nandun. So, ilalagay natin sila dito. So, ano to? Restock with me. Wow. So, ayun na. Refill ng ating mga cereal. Ayun na mga loves. Tingnan na natin kasi tumunog na yung ating timer. Tingnan natin siya. So, tusukin natin kung ready na siya. Uy, ready na siya. Mga loves! So, finally, nalipat ko na yung banana bread. But, this is my first time na failed yung nagawa ko. Siguro dahil wala tayong masyadong flour na nilagay. So, ito ang ending. Failed siya! Failed! Oh my gosh! Ayan, ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Ayan siya! La! Nakakainit. So failed naman. Nakakaloka. Sayang lang yung mga nilagay ko dito. Oh my gosh, that's so failed. That's fail. Fail. Oh! May batang gustong itry kahit na fail siya. I don't know if it's good kasi I don't know. I didn't try it. Go ahead and try it.
How?
Eat it. Duh. Pick it up. Not like that.
Oh my goodness.
What? Oh my goodness. Napa oh my goodness
It's
ka.
amazing.
Napa oh my goodness ka. Is that good? Yeah? Napa oh my goodness ka pa. Ayan na ating huhugasan. And mag-fish ako today. Mag-fried ako ng tilapia for my dinner. Ayun kasi tingnan nyo, oh, talagang parang basa pa siya dito. Pero tinuso ko, ano naman ah. Masarap siya, pero kulang talaga siguro sa flour na nilagay ko. Yeah.
Can I have another bite?
It's kinda moist. Moist siya, pero
What do you mean? Good.
it's good. Good daw. God. May bata po dito na natutulog. Hoy, ate girl! Ate girl! Ate girl! Wake up, ate girl! La, pawis na pawis ka, girl, ah.
Mom.
Oh.
Human.
Oh. Pawis ka, ate girl, ah. Uy, wake up ka na, baby. Oh, pawis na pawis ka. Inano nyo kasi yung fan eh. Pinatay nyo electric fan eh. Yan. Wake up ka na, baby. Sarap ng tulog mo ah. Hoy. Wake up na. Waka nga to eh. Turn off yung fan. Wake up ka na. Oh. It's dinner time.
Mommy, my shirt.
What happened to your shirt?
My shirt over.
It's okay.
Yeah,
take
we're
it back.
going to change.
Hey, Mommy.
Ah.
After dinner, can we continue playing on my
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, boy.
So, meron silang macaroni and cheese and sausage.
Only
Si Troy, sausage and rice.
a PS4.
Troy, you think
And Daddy is here.
has everything?
Yeah.
He does not have everything.
Yeah, we have one.
I'll get you guys some water.
If he was a million.
Daddy's home.
There's a dinosaur.
There's a dinosaur,
There's a
Daddy.
dinosaur?
So, Daddy's
Where's he
eating
going?
baked fish.
Right there.
So, Daddy always eat fish with me.
Dinosaur.
And also macaroni and cheese. So, ito naman ang aking food. We have fried tilapia. And then, ito ating sasawang bagoong or whatever you call that. Ayan. So, kain tayo. So, Daddy, say kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Say good night, everybody. Say, Daddy sleeping. Say good night. You say good night, Ma.
That way.
Say good night, everybody. Thank you for watching. Come on, say good night.
Good night. Thank
Say thank you for watching.
you. Watching.
Say mwah. Eh, ito naman. Lagi naman pa. So, end ko na ang vlog, guys. I hope to see you guys again soon. Say, be good. Good night.
Good night. Be good. Good night.
Blow kisses.
Good.
Mwah. Let go. Oh. Close the vlog. Close the vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Like this. Close the vlog. Cover the camera. Cover. Say bye. Good night. Put your hands up like this. I-close mo nga eh. Close it. Good night. Do it like that, okay? Close it.
Mommy.
Or use your foot then. Good night.
With your arm.
Good night. Or your face na lang. Good night.